our family's favorite strawberry jam. Here's the recipe. So first we'll wash the strawberries properly and remove the stems. Pat dry the strawberries with a kitchen towel and keep the strainer in the fridge for half an hour so that all the moisture dries up. To store the strawberry jam, clean glass jars and soak them in boiling water for 10 minutes with the lid. And then dry them thoroughly. If you have sunlight, you can dry them up in sun, or you can also dry them under the fan. You can use this method to sterilize the jars for all your storage of pickles, jams and sauces. Once the strawberries are dried completely, you can chop some of them into halves. Then take a heavy bottom pan. You can also take a heavy bottom steel pan and put the strawberries in it. For 500 grams strawberries, you have to add 400 grams sugar or 1/3/4 cups. And just mix it. Now you have to keep this mixture for half an hour. After half an hour, we'll cook the mixture on a very low flame for 15 minutes till all the sugar dissolves without stirring. As our jam is being made, keep a plate in the freezer to check whether our jam is done. It's been 15 minutes. Our mixture is boiling. Now we will stir it and remove all the foam that gathers on top for a clearer jam. At this stage, we will add juice of 1 small lemon or 1 tablespoon juice. After adding the juice, you can cook the mixture on a high flame for 10 minutes. You can even mash some of the strawberries if you wish to. Our strawberry jam is almost ready. There's a sweet aroma all over my place. Now we'll check it whether it's done on the plate that we have kept in the freezer. Our jam is ready. Now we'll store this in the sterilized bottle. You can store the jam in a cool place, or you can also store it in the fridge for up to 1 year. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.